Hey guys, this is Brian. Welcome to Joya channel. Today I'm going to introduce you guys a Glock gel blaster. This Glock gel blaster has 4 styles. This is 2 and this is another 2. I don't know which colors inside, so let's open it and see what surprise we can get. Batteries, copper connector, copper grip. Okay, that's all of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in this Glock gel blaster or our company, please comment down and tell us which model you are interested in. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe us. See you.